Method acting is a way of preparing for and performing in a role that involves immersing oneself in the character and their world. This can involve researching and understanding the character's background, motivations, and relationships, as well as physically and emotionally connecting to the character. This derives from the Lee Strasberg acting technique taught at the famous Actors Studio in New York City. A huge list of celebrated actors use method acting to achieve great performances. In fact, more Academy Awards have been won by method actors than any other acting technique. One way that method actors prepare for a role is by creating a backstory for their character, which includes details about their past experiences and relationships that inform their actions and decisions in the film. They may also try to stay in character offset, in order to stay fully immersed in the role. During filming, method actors will often try to stay in the moment and react honestly to the other actors in the situation, rather than just reciting their lines. This can create more natural and believable performances. Method acting is a controversial technique because it can be emotionally and physically demanding for the actor, and some critics argue that it can lead to unhealthy or even dangerous behavior. For example, some method actors have been known to go to extreme lengths to stay in character, such as starving themselves for a role or staying awake for long periods of time. Today, some people argue that method acting can be overly self-indulgent, and can detract from the overall quality of the film or play. They argue that while it may create realistic and emotionally resonant performances, it can also create self-centered and uneven performances that are more focused on the actor's process than the story being told. In the end though, method acting is a way of approaching a role that involves thoroughly understanding and connecting with the character, in order to create a realistic, researched and emotionally honest performance. It can be a powerful and effective technique for some actors in their roles, but it is also a controversial and sometimes divisive performance tool.